Slouching like a question mark and ignoring your body is a recipe for disaster. Do this mobility exercise instead.
Here's the thoracic spine bridge. For this exercise, go ahead and put one hand on the floor, and what you're going to do is go ahead and bridge up, bring one hand up, and then rotate your body towards the floor as far as you can. You want to make sure to stay strong in the shoulder blade. Don't let the shoulder sag back. Stay strong here, and rotate towards the floor as far as you can. And go ahead and come back and switch sides.
The thoracic bridge is a dynamic move that works wonders for your shoulder stability, thoracic mobility, and hip stability, all of which have become tight by sitting on your desk for so long. Now, let's get moving. Follow along with the video.
A modification is even doing it on the elbow itself, where you're here, rotating towards that arm, towards the floor, then come on back.
Add this thoracic bridge to your routine. Just a few minutes a day can make a remarkable difference. Share this exercise with a friend and help them break free from the question mark slouch.